Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the PIERRE remote control with a PIERRE display. We'll begin by wiring the system. We start with connecting the Berlin display, which requires a phase live and a neutral wire. This system works over Wi-Fi, so Ethernet connection is not required for basic local control. Once everything is connected, we power up the system. We wait a few moments for the Berlin display to boot up. Next, we add Berlin to the PIERRE application. Open the app and navigate to Menu, Settings, Displays. Then select Scan QR code. Scan the code from the display and it will be detected instantly. Name the display Berlin and assign it to a role, in this case Academy. Tap Save and the display will become active immediately. Now we proceed to add the PIERRE remote control. Go back to the menu and scroll down to Wave I/O. Tap on Find Devices to begin scanning. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the small button on the remote until the LED starts flashing. Once flashing, the system will detect the device shortly. You will see PIERRE remote appear on the screen. Tap Add Found Device and give it a name. Let's use Office. The role and dashboard fields will autofill based on the previous selections. Next, choose the brand of air conditioner you want to control. This list is constantly expanding, and for this demonstration, we're using a VVAX air conditioning unit. Select VVAX, tap Save, then Save and Confirm, and finally Finish. Immediately, the air conditioner control interface appears on the Berlin display. From here, we can control the AC unit directly. Let's turn it off, and now back on. Everything is working smoothly from the Berlin display. You can also set a target temperature, adjust fan speed, and manage all essential functions. Of course, everything you can do from the Berlin display can also be done from the mobile app instantly and reliably. Everything works perfectly. And that's it. The PIERRE remote control is now fully integrated and ready to use both from the display and your mobile device. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.